Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this series, we'll explore one of the most common automotive maintenance services and its pricing at Walmart, a popular destination for budget-friendly car care. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or looking for convenient and affordable oil change options, this series is for you. Let's dive into the details and find out what you can expect when it comes to oil change costs at Walmart. Oil changes are a routine part of vehicle maintenance, but how much does it cost to get one done at Walmart? Understanding the pricing for this essential service can help you budget and plan for your car care needs. When it comes to affordability and convenience, Walmart is a popular choice for many drivers seeking a cost-effective oil change option. With a strong presence across the country, Walmart's auto care centers offer competitive prices for their oil change services, making it a compelling option for those looking to keep their vehicle running smoothly without breaking the bank. By addressing the common question of, how much is an oil change at Walmart, we aim to provide a clear and comprehensive overview of the pricing structure you can expect when visiting a Walmart service center for this essential maintenance task. Stay tuned as we break down the costs, benefits, and considerations that come with getting your oil changed at Walmart, empowering you to make informed decisions for your vehicle's upkeep and budget. Overview of Walmart Automotive Services. Walmart Auto Care Centers provide customers with a convenient and reliable solution for their automotive needs. These centers are located in various Walmart stores across the country, making it easy for customers to access automotive services while they shop. Description of Walmart Auto Care Centers. Walmart Auto Care Centers are well-equipped automotive service centers that offer a wide range of services to meet customers' needs. The centers are staffed with skilled technicians who are trained to perform various automotive services efficiently. Customers can trust Walmart Auto Care Centers for their expertise and professionalism in handling vehicles of different makes and models. Services offered at Walmart Auto Care Centers. Walmart Auto Care Centers offer a comprehensive list of services to keep your vehicle running smoothly. From basic maintenance services like oil changes, tire rotations, and battery replacements to more complex services such as brake repairs and engine diagnostics, Walmart Auto Care Centers have you covered. Customers can rest assured that their vehicles are in good hands when they bring them to Walmart for service. Whether you need a quick oil change or a more involved repair, Walmart Auto Care Centers provide quality service at affordable prices. With a focus on customer satisfaction and convenience, Walmart Auto Care Centers strives to make the automotive service experience hassle-free for all customers. Factors influencing oil change costs. When it comes to the cost of an oil change at Walmart, various factors can influence the final price you pay. Two significant factors that play a crucial role in determining the cost of an oil change are the type of oil used and the type of vehicle you drive. Type of oil. The type of oil you choose for your oil change can have a significant impact on the overall cost. Conventional oils are typically the most affordable option, making them a popular choice for many drivers on a budget. Synthetic oils, on the other hand, are known for their superior performance and longevity, but they come at a higher price point. If you opt for a synthetic blend, you can expect to pay a price somewhere in between conventional and full synthetic oils. Vehicle type. The make and model of your vehicle can also influence how much you'll pay for an oil change at Walmart. Larger vehicles with bigger engines often require more oil, which can increase the cost of the service. Additionally, some high-performance or luxury vehicles may need specialty oils that are more expensive than standard options. It's essential to consider your vehicle type when budgeting for an oil change to ensure you're getting the right oil for optimal performance and engine health. Considering these factors can help you make an informed decision when it's time for your next oil change at Walmart. By understanding how the type of oil and your vehicle type impact costs, you can budget accordingly and ensure your vehicle receives the care it needs to stay running smoothly. Cost of oil changes at Walmart. When it comes to getting your oil changed at Walmart, you'll find a range of options to suit different needs and budgets. Let's break down the cost of oil changes at Walmart into three main categories: standard oil change price, synthetic oil change price, and high mileage oil change price. Standard oil change price. For those looking for a basic oil change, Walmart offers a standard oil change service at an affordable price. Typically, the cost for a standard oil change at Walmart falls within a reasonable range, making it a popular choice for many customers. This option provides the essential oil change service without the extra costs associated with synthetic or high mileage oils, ideal for those on a budget or with newer vehicles. Synthetic oil change price. If your vehicle requires synthetic oil or you prefer the advantages it offers, Walmart also provides synthetic oil change services. While the cost for a synthetic oil change may be slightly higher than a standard oil change, the benefits of synthetic oil, such as improved engine protection and performance, make it a valuable option. Walmart's synthetic oil change service ensures your vehicle receives the specific oil grade it needs for optimal maintenance. High mileage oil change price. For vehicles with higher mileage or specific engine requirements, Walmart offers high mileage oil change services tailored to address the needs of older vehicles. The cost for a high mileage oil change may be slightly higher than standard options due to the specialized oil and additives used to support aging engines. This service is designed to help maintain the performance and longevity of high mileage vehicles, offering peace of mind to drivers with older cars. Each type of oil change service at Walmart is priced competitively to provide customers with quality maintenance options at affordable rates. Whether you opt for a standard, synthetic, or high-mileage oil change, Walmart ensures that your vehicle receives the necessary care it needs to keep running smoothly. Discounts and deals. Savvy shoppers know that getting a good deal on an oil change can save you both money and time. Walmart often offers promotions and special deals on their oil change services, making it even more budget-friendly to maintain your vehicle. As we conclude the first part of our series on oil change costs at Walmart, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the factors influencing pricing and what to expect when you visit their service center. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve deeper into the different types of oil changes offered at Walmart and how they can affect the overall cost. Until then, drive safely and take care. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.